Hi, this is Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Today I'm coming on to show you how to make some easy placemats. Let's get started. So this is what we're going to make, this type of placemat. We're going to do a different design. So the first thing you're going to do, and I'm using a Mac, but you can use anything you like, any computer you like. I'm in Pages and I found a design that I like. So I'm going to make this into a bookmark. So the first thing you're going to do is print a placemat, not a bookmark. So I'm going to go to File and Print. And I'm printing on 11 by 14 cardstock. So once you got that, 8 by 14. Let's see. File. Trying to hold the camera and do this. Okay, so now you see I have a print. It's going to my laser printer, and I'm just going to print it out. All right, I'll come back after it prints. All right, I'm back. Let me just put the camera on the holder, and we should be ready to shoot. Hopefully you have a good shot of what I'm doing. All right, so I now have a picture that I want to laminate, and I have my laminating paper pouch. So I'm going to just open that, and my laminating machine says it's ready. So I'm just going to put the pouch, put the cardstock with the picture inside the pouch, and this is super duper easy. And get it in there just so, and make sure it's covered on all edges. Any hair or anything is out. And I guess I can move it over just a tiny smidge more because I kind of want it centered. Kind of like that. That's better. It's a little piece of hair, but it's on top. So then you have your pouch, and then you always put the folder side in first. And so with this one, all you have to do is start it, and it does all the rest for you. And it'll go through. I tried this before with just regular paper and printer paper, and it wasn't really sturdy enough. But with the 8 by 14 cardstock and the 8 by 14 laminating sheets, and I did make the picture a little smaller. I made it like 8 by 13 just so it fit on the paper. But as you see, it just goes right through. And I like this laminating machine. I'll leave a link for it below. I had another one. It was a Scotch also, but I got it from Walmart for about $19.99. It lasted about a year, but I had to kind of help it through and stuff. So this one, I think I paid like $35, $40 for it, not much more, but it's a better quality one, so I like it a lot better. So I'm gonna grab it so it won't fall off the table. And there we are. And we have a nice placemat. Now you can make any design you want. Think about kids' parties or any kind of party you're having, a baby shower. You can make these really quickly and have them. You could also put another picture on the back side, so you could put two of these back to back, and then you could have both sides, but I like it like that. So this is just a quick tip of how to make a placemat really quickly, and you only need a few items. You just need your laminating machine, you need a computer with a printer, and you need cardstock 8 by 14, and you need the pouches that are 8 by 14. But they come in a big package. The pouches I have, let's see how many are in here. There's 100 sheets in here, and I think this was like $27. And then the cardstock, let me see how many sheets are in here. And this is 65 pound white It's only 50 sheets in here, and I can't remember how much I paid for this. I've had them for a couple months now. I just haven't had a chance to play with this. So, but I'll leave links below for the machine and the paper and laminating pouches if you would like to get it. But that is really cute. So I think I'll make 3 more, and then I'll have a set if anybody wants to purchase those. All right, this has been Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.